Let's look at the Gerber 31-00164 Myth Folding Knife. This is a drop point knife. It's a folding knife with the lock back. Comes with a sheath, as you can see here. The sheath is a hard plastic with a rubber flap. Knife has a nice rubber texture grip handle. Measures just over 8 inches. Blade length is 3.5 inches. Length closed is 4.7 inches. And the knife weighs 3.1 ounces. Fits nicely in the case. It's got a strap to hook on your belt. Case also has a knife sharpener at the bottom, which comes in handy in the field. The Myth series from Gerber was introduced in spring of 2012. Thanks for watching.